Hello friends, welcome to my channel.
Chapter 4 New Beginnings, Cities and States.
Question number 1. The second urbanization in India began around answer D 600 BCE. Question number 2. Which civilization marks India's first urbanization? Answer option C Sindhu Saraswati. Question number 3. Which metal played a major role in the second urbanization? Answer option C iron. Question number 4. The word Janapada means? Answer option B land where people settle. Question number 5. How many Mahajanapadas existed around the 6th century BCE? Answer option C 16. Question number 6. Which river valley supported many Mahajanapadas? Answer option C Ganga. Question number 7. Which Mahajanapada became the most powerful? Answer option D Magadha. Question number 8. Capital of Magadha was? Answer option B Rajagirha. Question number 9. Which Mahajanapada followed a republican system? Answer option C Vajji. Question number 10. The Vajji Confederacy was governed by? Answer option C Council of Elders. Question number 11. Which assembly helped in governance in early states? Answer option A Sabha. Question number 12. Fortified cities mainly developed for? Answer option B defense. Question number 13. Which occupation increased due to urbanization? Answer option B weaving. Question number 14. Coins were mainly used for? Answer option C trade. Question number 15. Which material evidence help us study Asian cities? Answer option B archaeological remains. Question number 16. Large agricultural surplus led to? Answer option B urban growth. Question number 17. Which crop was widely grown using iron tools? Answer option C rice. Question number 18. Early cities were usually located near? Answer option C river. Question number 19. Which Mahajanapada had its capital of Ujjain? Answer option A Avanti. Question number 20. Trade routes helped cities to? Answer option C prosper. Question number 21. Which group collected taxes in early states? Answer option C rulers. Question number 22. Taxes were often paid in the form of? Answer option B goods. Question number 23. Which social group lived mainly in cities? Answer option B craftsmen. Question number 24. Written records of the period included? Answer option C Buddhist texts. Question number 25. Which city was a major learning center? Answer option B Taxila. Question number 26. Kings maintain armies mainly to? Answer option C, product territory. Question number 27. Which activity linked villages and cities? Answer option B, trade. Question number 28. Mahajanapadas merged due to? Answer option D, agricultural surplus. Question number 29. Which ruler type existed in some Mahajanapadas? Answer option B, monarch. Question number 30. Which of the following is not a feature of early cities? Answer option C, airports.